An if statement is also known as a conditional. Now, these can be added to a program to control whether a command is run or not. A way that you can think of this is as a door. So if the condition is true, the door will open and the commands that are connected to that statement are run. Otherwise, they are skipped and nothing will really happen. This allows for programs to respond to the different inputs that you include. Here's an example. So we have a forever loop. In here, we have two if statements. So if button A and if button B, so the button A and button B press is our form of input. Then our outputs are going to be the icons, so the X and the square. Again, running and reading through it, if button A is pressed, then the icon X will appear. If button B is pressed, then the big square will appear. And this will be happening forever, meaning that the whole time that you press button A or B, each icon will be executed according to the button that you press. Now let's head over to MakeCode to look and see how this would be put together. Okay, so remember, we're going to be using that forever. Therefore, I will head to my logic. I will grab an if statement, duplicate that. I have two. Now in that true statement, I will need to put an input. So button A, if button A is pressed, then something will occur. If button B is pressed, then something else will be occurring. Now we mentioned the icons. So here we're going to have a big X, and in the bottom for button B, we will have a big square. When we head over to our virtual simulator, when we press A, we have that X. When we press B, we have that square. And that is if statements.